Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of 3323.08 and now it is trading. See, I'm making this video in the live market, so you can see the fluctuation in the price. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the price is continuously on our upside. Okay, it is trying to form a narrow pattern. If you look at this particular trend, the narrow pattern is being formed at, if you look at a level of around 3287. If the price fall below this level, there is a chances that this pattern can be break for this particular pattern, not a bigger one. The bigger pattern is forming in this particular range, so probability is high that if it goes towards a level of 3250, then only we can see there can be a sharp fall for a bigger pattern. But if a smaller pattern, if you look at this trend, chances are high if it started going below a level of 3287, we can see there can be a downtrend. Okay, but if the trend is formed going upside, chances are high if it goes above a level of $33.92, a further upside movement we can see, and then a further high. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, see, the price of dollar index depends on a lot of factors. Okay, so probability is high that if the dollar index started going down, we see the price of gold goes up. Okay, see, the price dollar index growth, the gold goes up. Similarly, vice versa, we have seen if the dollar index started going upside, we see the gold price comes down. Okay, look at this particular the dollar index now trading at a level of $98.850, and if the price started going below this level, and chances are high it can move below a level of 98.5. If it started falling below this level, we can see a level of 98.293, and then it will go below a level of around $97.8. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. So probability will be high that it can touch a level of around 97.4 to a level of 96.8, and then a further downfall we can see. But if it started going above this level, probability is high it can move towards 99.34, and then from there a level of $99.970. If it started going above that level, probability of touching 100.5, and then to a level of $102.10, and then a further upside movement we can see towards 103.5, and then a further high. As I have already explained you that the price of dollar index started going down, we see the gold price comes down, and vice versa seen we have seen. Okay, this is the trend we can say. So if the price started going below a level of 3289, okay, or 3270, then there is a probability that if it started going below this level, chances will be very high it can break this particular trend level of 3245, and from there a level of $3197, and then a further fall we can see. This is the downside trend. But if you look at the uptrend, you will see that the uptrend is also on the trend forming in this particular level, and this is also a narrow pattern. If you look at this trend, see, so chances can be high if the price started going above a particular level of around 3380, we can see there can be a rise in this particular level. Okay, so further upside we can see. So now suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards a level of $33.29, and if started going above that level, probability of touching next resistance, that is $33.29. Suppose if the price going above that particular level, chance of going towards further high we can see towards $37, and if that sustain, we can see the price can touch next level of 33.40. Suppose the price going above $33.44, chances of going towards next level, that is 33.58, we can see to a level of, after 33.58 we can see level of $33.68, and once started going up this level, probability of touching 33.77 we can see, and then a further upside we can see towards $33.83, and then a further high we can see. So you have to keep trailing your SL by 10 or $15, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, and if that sustain, we will see the price will move above a level of 34.02, and then further high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards next level, that is coming at a level of around $32.95, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching after $32.95, probability of touching $32.91 we can see, and if started going below that level, we can see a level of around $32.82, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going below a level of around $32 76 we can see, and from there a level of around 34. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go further low, and yes, we can see it can touch a level of 32 $38 after crossing a level of 32.44. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.